Indian cricketer Mohammed Shami is ruling the internet for the right reasons. What a player. Take a bow. I'm sure you're all curious to know what's behind his tempo and pace. Am I right? So let's check out what diet and fitness regime he follows. As per reports, Shami eats a low-carb, high-protein diet. He loves biryani, but to stay fit, he has given up on it. He enjoys binging on Gujarati food as well. He avoids junk food and sweets. There was a time when Shami gained weight, but instead of giving up, he worked hard to get back into shape. He opted for weight training, emphasizing strength and core. He also engages in HIIT cardio workouts. His primary focus is on the back and shoulder muscles, in addition to lower body workouts that tone the legs. For more such videos, like and subscribe our channel.